Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. Today we are going to draw another 3D body. We start by double clicking this SolidWorks icon on our desktop. We wait for some seconds for it to open. And the body which we're going to draw, you see this one here. You can have a look. So once it is open, you can click on part to start or go to file. Then click new, click on part, click OK. Now I'm going to apply scene. Drop down this menu, select plain white. I can choose top plane, then sketch. Here, drop down menu, select center rectangle, draw from this point to this point. Go to smart dimension. Here should be 63 millimeters, and this length should be 100 millimeters. Go to features, select extruded boss or base. Here thickness should be 12 millimeter. You can backspace it or highlight, then type 12. Okay. Now I'm going to fillet it. Choose fillet. Select this edge, then select this edge. Fillet radius should be 25 millimeter. You can highlight here or backspace, then type 25. Click here, okay. Now you can turn here at the back, then sketch. Now you can choose cycle, then draw a cycle here, draw another cycle. Go to smart dimension. The outer one should be 50 millimeter. The inner one should be 25 millimeter. Now the distance from this point to this point should be 90 millimeter. Now I'm going to select here line, draw from this point to this point. Right click, click on select, choose line, drop on this point to this point. Right click, click on select. Now I'm going to establish a relation. Select this cycle, press Ctrl, select this line, then make tangent. Also here, select this cycle, press Ctrl, select this line, make tangent. Now I'm going to extrude. Select this part here, click convert entities, go to features, go to extruded boss or base, select here. Now thickness put 10 millimeters. You can change the direction here. Also you can select this part. So click OK. Go down here to boss extrude 2, drop down menu, click on sketch, select extruded boss. Now select this part, going to the other direction. Here should be 44 millimeter, type 44. You see, click here OK. So now you can select this part at the back, click on sketch. So from there now you can draw a line from the center. Now going this up this point here, I can mirror it, edit it to mirror this line and this line and this line, mirror about this line. Click OK, smart dimension. So also I can offset Select this line. Offset distance should be 1.5. Take 3 divided by 2. Then select by direction. Click here OK. Select this line. Should be vertical. Yes. Now I'm going to dimension it. The distance from this point to this point should be 12 millimeter. Also here it will be the same. From this point to this point also will be 12 millimeter. Just click OK. Now I can close it. This part you can close it. Also you can select this part, click on convert entities. Now I'm going to extrude. Go to features, select extruded balls or base. Now I'm going to select this part and this part. I'm going to sketch pen, click offset, and here type 6, but should be going to the other direction. You see, also change the direction here. Now, but here should be 32, type 32, length of extrusion. Click OK. You see, now you can back to this sketch, select extruded cut. Yes, you can back to this Bose extrude 4, click on sketch, select extruded cut. Now click on this part here and this part here and this part here and this part here. Now we can select through all. You see, click OK. Now you see, now you can go, you can click here to isometric. You can select front plane, select line, draw from this point to this point, to this point again, up to this point. You can go downward here and join to this point. Now go to features, select extruded balls or base. Now come here down, select mid plane. Here you can write and then type 10 millimeter. Thickness should be 10 millimeter. Okay, click OK. So our part is ready. We can add some material on it. You can select anywhere this body, then go to appearance, drop down menu, select part. From there now you can come and select any color, click OK. So you can save it here under doc, save as part 1. Just save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new upcoming tutorials. Thank you.